Okay, here we have a nice Homelite. I don't know what it is. Super 2.6. Super 2.6 with automatic oiling. You can see it's pretty good shape. I don't think it's been used much. See, there's not worn here or anything, and the barn chain is really nice. I don't think it's been used much. But this it really bugs me because where you pour the oil and the gas in, I don't know why they put the handle right there. It's hard to pour it in. And well, we'll see if it'll run.